Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS200 digital camera and you're trying to do a factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working right, a lot of these bugs can be worked out with this factory reset. Now the second reason is, there's just a ton of different settings on here and you can try to change things manually, but if you want to get a fresh start and just have everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box for whatever reason, it's very simple to do. All we need to do is we're just going to come in and hit the menu set button, and when the menu opens up on the screen, we're just going to select the setup wrench icon submenu, setup wrench icon, and then straight from the setup wrench icon submenu, we'll just select reset. And it's really all there is to it. Just follow whatever prompts you get from there. So menu, setup wrench icon, reset. And then you'll be able to just redo everything you want on this camera like you're taking it out of the box.